Have you ever wondered how creators are getting their videos to look like this, and how are they getting millions of views on their videos? What if you could do the same and it only took you about 3 minutes of time? Imagine how many videos you could do in one day and how many of them you could schedule out on social media that have the potential to go viral for you, getting you millions of views and possibly tens of thousands of followers. Doing these videos is super easy to do, so let's get started straight away. All right, guys, this is how easy it is. So firstly, I want you to download CapCut. Most of you guys will have CapCut on your phone, but if you don't, make sure you download it. It'll be in the App Store somewhere. So download CapCut. Now, what I want you guys to do is, there's a good chance that if you find a viral video on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, chances are someone's used CapCut templates to do it. So in this video, I'm just going to show you some examples so you guys know how easy this is to do it. So firstly, let's just say gym motivation. Yeah, so let's just say motivation. Motivation, so you tap on the top one. Okay, now as you can see here, I can't zoom in, but it says that 119,000, 2,500, 7.9, 106,000. So what I'll do is I'll play this video. I'll play the discipline and the start video. I'll just make sure that there's no sound based on copyright. So basically, let's just say that you really like this. All you need to do is you click on where it says use template and you plug in your videos or your photos. So I'm going to do that quickly. So all I'm doing now is I'm just going to be doing this randomly. So let's just say this one here, boom, boom, boom. Just as an example, you go next, and then it does it automatically. So again, let's just say, here we go. This is it. Now you can change the text, you can change anything, you can change the mindset part. Obviously you're going to be more creative than I am. You're going to add different things. So let's just say you're doing a motivation thing. You could do you lifting weights or going for a run outside or doing yoga. Make it interesting. This isn't interesting. I'm just showing you how to do it. It's super, super easy, guys. So I'll quickly show you the next one. Let's just say you really like this one here. Again, it's exactly the same thing. So you're finding a template that you like, use template, and you literally put in any video or any photo that you want to use, and it does it automatically. So this is how people are going viral. Let's just say you want to do something for travel. If you're a content creator, business owner, search for content creation, content creator, business owner, business launch. So many different templates. One quick example, let's just say travel. So let's just say you went on a holiday and you want to make all your friends jealous and you want to get millions of views. Okay, so this one here has 712, so almost 1 million users. Crazy. So again, this is Dubai, I think. So again, let's just say you really like this. So again, use template. Okay, this is just a random. So I'm just going to tap on random stuff. Again, make sure you're creative at home. You don't want to just do it randomly like I am right now. And let's just do this one here and end with that one. Go next. And it does it automatically. Now, as a suggestion, don't use music from CapCut, because if you're uploading music from CapCut onto YouTube, you're going to get a copyright strike. Same probably applies for Facebook. If you're wanting monetization from, Facebook bonus program. So use your own music. But this is how easy it is. It's super, super easy. So all you do is you click on CapCut. You literally search for any template. Let's just do meme. Yeah, there's heaps of memes as well. So we'll go memes. Okay, you get Steve Hardy, Take My Money. That's Mr. Beast. So again, you can upload a photo in the background. Let's just say it's this photo that you want. Don't use this photo because it's shocking. And that's how easy it is. Take My Money. So you could put a Lamborghini in the background. You could put your course or your program, whatever it is. But that's how easy it is, guys. So get creative. You could literally do one video every 1 minute, yeah? One video every 5 minutes. But if you spent one day just using CapCut templates to do your videos, you could literally get 50 to 100 videos that you could schedule out on your social media, and at least 1 to maybe 5 of them are going to go viral, get you millions of views, maybe 500,000 views, and it's so easy. So make sure you do this, okay? Please do this. Before you go, I've also got a video, so I'll put it here. It's another CapCut video. It's mainly for beginners on how to use CapCut. I show you the basics and some more advanced stuff. Make sure you watch that video. It's super, super easy. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.